What's up fella, Success Animation here. Before we start, I will give away my fractionation guidebook for free, but only to the first 1,000 people. So be fast and click the link in the description to save it. How to make someone miss you using psychology. 1. Impart in explicit stories. Great stories wait in the subliminal personality. On the off chance that your story includes some special article or experience, the other individual is probably going to recollect you whenever the person hears anything about that equivalent purpose of affiliation. Recognition makes an open door for you to be missed. In a perfect world, the story ought to be about yourself or have some association with your identity, and interesting stories are bound to make more grounded associations than typical issues. It's best for the trigger, item or occasion to even now be normal enough for the other individual to experience, be that as it may. Since the person needs to keep running crosswise over it before recollecting that you. For instance, a genuine tale about gathering your preferred band while shopping for food would be really one of a kind. And somebody will probably recollect it whenever the person hears that band on the radio. Then again, an anecdote about essentially heading off to a show would be excessively ordinary and might be overlooked. 2. Show your esteem. Before somebody can miss you, you have to progress toward becoming somebody worth missing. This doesn't imply that you should influence your way into somebody's great graces, yet it means that you ought to convey as much incentive to your relationship as you anticipate that the other individual should bring. When in doubt, attempt to relate to the next individual amid the great and the awful. Celebrate when the other individual is upbeat and grieve when the person is harming. Sympathy and great listening abilities exhibit a profound dimension of minding, and that by itself can charm you to an individual you care about. 3. Wear a mark aroma. The feeling of smell is entirely groundbreaking, and proof proposes that aroma and memory are firmly connected. Wearing the equivalent unpretentious, charming fragrance all the time can engrave yourself in somebody's psyche and make that individual consider you at whatever point the person smells it. This is most regularly found in sentimental connections. The fragrance of a darling's cleanser, body wash, scent, or cologne can wait on cushions and different articles, shocking the other accomplice's memory at whatever point the individual in question gets a whiff. Mark aromas can do something amazing in non-romantic connections, as well. For example, in the event that you adore preparing and your kitchen dependably resembles new bread, a companion or relative could without much of a stretch come to relate that smell to the glow of your home, paying little respect to where the person in question experiences it.